Welcome, Vida Juicers. We have already looked at some superfoods for weight loss, but in today's Wellness Wednesday, we'll discuss specifically 7 great foods that burn belly fat. Knowing the foods that burn belly fat the best is important when you're trying to get your body back into the shape you want it to be in. There's nothing more annoying than dieting and exercising like crazy, only to find out you end up looking like an apple with 4 toothpicks sticking out, arms and legs. Belly fat is the unhealthiest fat of all. Far too many people have a band of belly fat around their middles. Belly fat is not only unsightly, it's some of the unhealthiest fat you can have. It's a real heart attack in waiting. Knowing how to burn belly fat off will not only have you looking trimmer, but will also be much better for your long-term health too. You don't have to be obese to have belly fat. It can be caused by stress. Having belly fat doesn't necessarily mean you are overeating. In fact, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're obese either. Even skinny people have it. It's not only an unhealthy lifestyle that can lead to belly fat, but eating the wrong type of food too. And also, some may find this surprising, it can be caused by stress. When we are under stress, our bodies secrete more cortisol. It's part of the body's preparation for fight or flight. The problem is that cortisol actually breaks down lean muscle tissue. And to make it worse, it also makes us hold on to any fat stored in the abdominal region. Diet stress. Stress can actually be caused through concern about poor diet. And this causes a chain reaction. More stress, less muscle, and more fat to store away. Studies have shown that diet stress can actually prevent you from losing belly fat, even if you control your calorie intake. Give the foods that burn belly fat a helping hand. Losing belly fat is not all about eating the right types of food, but in order to make these foods work more effectively for you, you need to do a couple of other things too. In order to know how to burn belly fat, you have to take a holistic approach to the problem. You've got to take other factors into consideration. These are sleep. You must get sufficient quality sleep, a minimum of 7 hours. Regular physical exercise, concentrate on tummy tucks, abdominal crunches, and leg scissor lifts. Control your breathing. This helps to control stress, like the old breathing into a paper bag routine. When you add all of the factors shown above into the equation, alongside the foods that burn belly fat we're about to discuss, you'll create the right circumstances to blast away the bulge. Belly fat burning foods. Number 1, green tea. Burning belly fat is all about getting your metabolic rate up, and green tea is excellent for this. It contains caffeine, which we all know helps to boost energy, and therefore metabolism. But it also contains antioxidants known as catechins. Research carried out in Japan suggested that catechins help to reduce body fat, lower LDL cholesterol, and help to prevent obesity. Food number 2, chili peppers. Chili peppers are another one of those great foods that burn belly fat. They contain a substance called capsaicin, which according to the results of studies published in the UK's NHS Choices website, not only helps to curb your appetite for salty, sweet, and fatty foods, but they also help you to expend more energy and therefore helps to speed up your metabolism. Food number 3, cinnamon. Cinnamon contains certain types of antioxidants that enhance your sensitivity to insulin, which in effect helps you to stabilize your blood sugar. In other words, it helps you to prevent you from storing belly fat. A simple and natural way of increasing your intake of cinnamon is to sprinkle it on certain foods, such as raw yogurt, rice pudding, or you can use it as an ingredient when you make a smoothie. Food number 4, wild salmon. Wild salmon is another one of the best foods that burn belly fat. The actual process of digesting protein means burning calories, and salmon is not only high in quality protein, but it also has a rich source of omega-3 fatty oil. Strange as though it may seem, you must eat a certain amount of good fat in order to burn belly fat. Eating wild salmon is a great way of bringing this about. Food number 5, avocado. As mentioned above, eating healthy fat is essential when you're looking to burn off belly fat. And one of the best sources of monosaturated fat is avocado. We've talked about this before. Avocados are also a good source of protein, which is rare for vegetables. In addition, they are a good source of fiber and an amazing storehouse of various vitamins and minerals. If you're looking to lose belly fat, avocados are a real must. Food number 6, watermelon. Research undertaken by the University of Kentucky found that eating watermelon helps to significantly reduce the amount of plaque that can clog your arteries by modifying certain blood lipids and lowering the accumulation of unhealthy belly fat. Food number 7, celery. Celery is what is known as a negative calorie food. It contains less calories in terms of nutrition than it actually takes to digest, hence the term negative calorie food. In other words, you can actually eat this to lose weight. In addition to being negative calorie, celery is also high in vitamin C and calcium. Celery, like carrot, is one of those foods that is great to eat raw as a snack in between meals. Learning the trick of how to burn belly fat, knowing how to burn belly fat can really enhance your chances of living a holistic, healthy lifestyle. And it's a great way of helping yourself to avoid developing cardiovascular disease in your later years. The foods that burn belly fat come from a wide variety of produce, including fish, vegetables, fruits, and spices that you need to consume on a daily basis. The trick is in increasing your metabolic rate while limiting your intake of simple carbohydrates like sugar and processed foods. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it. I'm Doreen Correa, and thank you for joining me today. And remember, juice strong to live long.